So I just received a shipment of glass for my 69 Boss 429, and I've got everything is date code correct, and I don't know if you can see that. Put something black behind it here. Anyway, it's a Carlite with an 8M, which would be December 68. Perfect date for this Boss 429. So that's my windshield, my back glass, side glass. I'm gonna go through everything and make sure it's correct. It was etched and so forth in good shape. Then I'll probably wrap it up and put it away for a while. First piece of glass I'll put in is the two side vents in the back, and then the back glass. Okay, here's the side glass. That'd be the driver's side. That's the passenger side, and you can see they were etched as well. The correct date code, M8, December of 68. Here's the side rear vent glass, left and right. Both those are etched as well. Gonna open up the back glass now. Okay, it's the last piece, the back glass. And it looks really good. Again, date code M8. So I'm gonna wrap it up, put it away. I'm gonna keep these two side vents out for now, and I'll put those on. First, I'm gonna start running some of the wiring in this, which includes the positive cable that goes from the trunk, because the battery's in the trunk on these cars, and that will go through here and into the firewall, or through the firewall to the solenoid. So run that, and I've got wires here for the side lights, and got my firewall pad in. Gonna put the heater box in. Okay, now I'm gonna work on the heater box. I'm gonna take this all apart, clean it really well, paint what needs to be painted, replace the heater coil, put new correct heater hoses on and clamps as well. Make sure the fan works. And okay, I've been working on the interior, and here's the dash. I've disassembled everything, took all the light switches, or all the switches and heater control and everything out of it, cleaned it, and then I scuffed it with a red scuff pad and sanded some areas that had some rust on it down here. Now I'm going to clean it one more time, and I will shoot some little bit of primer on these bare spots, and then I'm going to paint it. And the dash on these are more of a charcoal color than a black, and so I'm gonna make sure I use the right color on that. You can see it's more charcoal than it is black. So see, I've got my dash, it's all painted up. It's the charcoal black, which should be correct for the 6970. And then I rebuilt the heater box, and you can buy a kit like this. It's got all the foam pads and so forth inside. I didn't show how to do that, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Break the box apart here and replace everything, and then clean it up really good and put it back together. I just wash this with soap and water real good. I don't paint it. I'm not going to paint this one because you can see it's got date code stamped on the bottom from Ford, and it looks like a fiberglass kind of showing through here. So to keep it looking as much original as possible, just cleaned up the brackets and called it good. So I put a new heater core in, and I put new hoses on, the correct hoses. You can buy them from Marty Auto Works. And got the correct ones for this. They've got the red stripe on them. It's got a date code on there. But I try to put these on so when it's in the car, it comes through the firewall, you can see the red auto light. And I did them both that way. So I turn it and I orient this in the right direction so when it's going through the firewall, you can see them on both of them. Put the correct clamps on. So this is ready to go in the car. See, I've been working on getting my weather stripping in here, or my rubber stripping in. I've got my firewall pad installed. I've got my, you can see the power supply goes to the front on this Boss 429. It goes through the top of the rocker panel there, and then up over the back wheel well and into the trunk. And the battery will sit in the trunk. Comes through the firewall. It's got the correct positive line, correct grommet on the end, and so forth. So now that I got that installed, I'm going to put my heater box in, and I'll be working on the accelerator pedal bracket. Here's the parking brake mechanism. You can see that's all detailed out. I've got my speedometer cable. I'll put my steering column, brake and clutch pedals in, and get everything kind of buttoned up under the dash before I put this dash in to make it easier. So see, I got all my parts painted as well for my dash. Glove box door. Keep moving along on the interior of this.